This procedure is how we sanitize your fresh water system. This process is recommended before long periods of storage. First, turn the levers on the water center panel to the sanitize position. Prepare a chlorine solution using 1 gallon of water and a 1/4 cup of household chlorine bleach. Attach a siphon tube to the tank fill port, turn on the water pump, and we're going to siphon the chlorine solution into the tank. Now you're going to use 1 gallon solution for each 15 gallons of tank capacity. Once your solution is completely gone, complete filling the tank with fresh water. Turn off your water heater and open each faucet in the motorhome and run the water until a distinct odor of chlorine can be detected. Do not forget the hot water faucets. Let the system stand for at least 4 hours when disinfecting. Drain the water tank and refill with fresh water. Open each faucet again and run fresh water to flush chlorinated water from the lines. Run the water until there is no odor of chlorine detected in the water discharge. Do not forget the hot water faucets. Turn the water center panel to the city water configuration. Turn on the water heater. And now your water system is now disinfected.